In this short tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix TikTok couldn't change the profile picture easily and fast. So all what you have to do is just keep watching until the end, and I promise you 100% that the problem is gonna be solved. So all what you have to do is open the settings on your phone, go to the wireless and networks and enable the airplane mode and disable it again, and do the same thing with the Wi-Fi. Disable it and enable it again. Go back and now go to the apps manager page. Go to the apps. Now here on this page you will find the apps that you have on your phone. Scroll until you find TikTok like this and click on it. After you click on it, this is the app informations page. Click here on the permissions. Make sure that all the permissions are enabled and click here on force stop, and then go to this open by default option. Make sure that this open supported links in the app, it's on always allow. That's it guys. Now restart your phone and reopen TikTok and the problem is gonna be fixed. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more educational videos.